Hi, my name is Jacob Martin. I'm the global winner of World Class 2023. I run some bars in Toronto, namely my bar, Bar Banan. So certainly the most popular cocktail from this list, and also at the Seed Library takeover that we just did, was the See It, Say It Sorted. This is my first time in London and my first time in the UK. We were just on the train from Edinburgh over to Inverness, and I just couldn't get over this message, which is, you know, if there's any trouble on the train, see it, say it, sort it, and they just say it so many different times. I just couldn't get over it. I love medium peat and heavy peat whiskey so much, especially from Skye and Island. But they always kind of end up typecast in these kind of slow, stirred and boozy numbers, or perhaps in the form of a mist or in a tincture, things like that. And I think that they work just so organically with really tropical and fresh flavors. I've mainly worked in French bars, and I had wanted a cocktail with herbs de Provence with the final winter apples, which would be acidified, a touch of celery salt, and then really importantly Talisker, because it just has those kind of briny sea notes. And just going through the distillery and actually being able to see, oh, this is the ecology, this is like really the land that it's coming from. And then even seeing the local vegetation and what I was creating, that just made me really fired up. That was really exciting. I'd say See It, Say It Sorted tastes like a super vegetal, floral fruit punch.